Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. And today's session, chapter number 1, real numbers, exercise 1.5, we will discuss now. Okay, in exercise 1.5, the first question is determine the values of following. Okay, in the first bit, log 5 base 25. Yeah, my advice is before going to this exercise, the basic which I have already taught in the previous video, that is introduction to logarithms. Once you go through that video, so that you will understand this topic clearly. So my sincere advice to all of you, before going to this chapter, this exercise, once you go through that video, so that you will understand this topic clearly. So we have to find out, we have to determine the values of the following. First question is log 5 base 25. Log 5 base 25. Okay. So we have to find the value. So what you do, you consider as log 5 base 25 is equal to x. We don't know. Let you consider it as a x. See, as we know that if a power x equal to n, this is our exponential form. How to convert exponential form into logarithmic form? That is log n base a equal to x. You can observe here, which is in the form of log n base a equal to x, which is our logarithmic form. So convert logarithmic form into exponential form. That is, a value is 25 here, a power x, that is 25 power x is equal to, what is the value of n? 5. See, simply 25 raised to the power x is equal to 5. This 25 I can write as 5 square, 5 into 5, 25, whole power x is equal to 5. See, laws of exponent, a power m whole power n, which is in the form of a power m whole power n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power m into n. 5 to the power 2 into x, 2x is equal to 5. Yeah, nothing is there here. Power, which is 1. Here bases are equal. If bases are equal, powers should be equated. Here powers are 2x is equal to 1. Here 2 is multiplying transpose. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of x? We got x value 1 by 2. The value of log 5 base 25. What is the value of log 5 base 25? Which is equal to 1 by 2. The value of log 5 base 25 value 1 by 2. Okay. Coming to second question. The second question is log 3 base 81. Again, you consider as x. Consider as x, which is in logarithmic form. Convert it into exponential form. That is 81 power x. 81 to the power x is equal to 3. 81 power x is equal to 3. See, as base is here 3, so 81 I can write it as 3 raised to the power 4. 3 power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that is 81. whole power x is equal to 3. Okay. Again, which is in the form of a power m whole power m. I can write as a power m into n 4 into x 4x is equal to 3 power nothing means 1. Again, as bases are equal, then I can equate its powers. Powers are 4x is equal to 1. 4x equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to what? 1 by x equal to 1 by 4. So, what is the value of log 3 base 81? Therefore, log 3 base 81 whose value is 1 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, coming to the third question. Log 1 by 16 base 2. Okay, let it be x. Again, which is in the form of logarithmic form. Convert into exponential form, that is 2 power x. 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. So 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. 16 I can write as 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. I can write as 2 raised to the power 4. You can observe here which is in the form of 1 by a power n. 1 by 2 power 4 which is in the form of 1 by a power n. 1 by a power n I can write it as a to the power minus n. So 2 power x equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 4 I can write as 2 to the power minus 4. Right? As bases are equal here, power should be equated. So x is equal to minus 4. So what is the value of? Therefore, log 1 by 16 to the base 2 equal to minus 4, which is equal to minus 4. Okay? And the fourth question is, log 1 base 7. As we know that what is the value of log 1 to the base a? What is the value of log 1 to the base a? Properties of, laws of logarithms. As we know that log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Log 1 to the base a equal to 0. Therefore, log 1 base 7 value what? 0. The value of log 1 base 7 is equal to 0. You can write log 1 to the base a is equal to 0. Got it? Yes. Next, fifth question. The fifth question is log root x base x. Okay? Log root x base x. Got it? You consider as here x is there. Actually here also x is there, here also x is there. Let me consider as a. You can consider as any letter, right? Again, it is in logarithmic form. Convert into exponential form. X power a equal to root x. What is the meaning of root x? Root x I can write as x power 1 by 2. How can we write as root x? Root x I can write as x power 1 by 2. Okay? So here as bases are equal, power should be equated. So what is the value of a? A equal to 1 by 2. A equal to 1 by 2. So what is the value of? Therefore the value of root x base x is 1 What is the answer? The answer is 1 by 2. Got it? The next question is log 512 base 2. Log 512 base 2. Okay? Consider as is equal to x, which is our logarithmic form. Convert it into exponential form, that is 2 to the power x equal to 512. You know, 512 is 2 to the power 9. If you want to check it once, let me find out the prime factors of 512. 2 table. 2 2s are 4, 1 1, 2 5s are 10, 1 2, 2 6s are 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are 2 64s are 2 32s are 2 16s are 2 8s are 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. I mean 512 I can write as 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 2 to the power 9. 2 to the power x equal to 2 raised to the power 9. Again, as bases are equal, power should be equated. So x is equal to 9. So what is the value of log 512 base 2? Which is equal to 9. Got it? Next, seventh one, log 0.01 to the base 10. Okay, consider as let it be x. Okay, again it is in logarithmic form. Convert it into exponential form. 10 to the power x equal to 0.01. 0.01. So 10 to the power x equal to 0.01. I can write it as 1 by 100. Yes, 1 by 100 is nothing but 0.01. So 10 to the power x equal to 1 by 100 I can write as 10 square. So 10 to the power x is equal to 1 by 10 square. I can write as 10 to the power minus 2 because it is in the form of 1 by a power n. I can write as a to the power minus n. As bases are equal, power should be equated. So x is equal to minus 2. I mean, what is the value of log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. Answer is how much? Minus 2. Got it? Next one. 8th one. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. Okay, again you consider as x. Let it be as x. So it is in logarithmic form. Convert it into exponential form. 2 by 3 whole power x equal to 8 by 27. You can see here the base is 2 by 3. So this 8 by 27, if you observe here, 8 by 27, I can write as 2 by 3 whole power 3. Because 2 cube value 8, 3 cube value 27. I can write as 2 by 3 whole power 3. As bases are equal, power should be equated. So x value is 3. So I got x value 3. Got it? The last question, that is 9th one. power m plus n, a power m plus n, a power m plus n, I can write as a power m into a power n. So this I can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power log 3 base 2. Got it my point? 2 to the power 2 into 2 to the power log 3 base 2. So 2 square, I mean 2 into 2, 4. You can see we have one property, logarithm. So we have the formula a power log n to the base a is equal to n. Laws of logarithm, a raised to the power log n base a. See, if these both are equal, then what is the value? Which is n. You can see here which is in the form of a power log n base a. So what is the value of a power log n base a? Which is n. Our n value is 3 here. So that is 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. Okay. This is our first question in exercise 1.3. Okay. Thank you.